Hello, my name is Nicolas, and I'm the Service and Solutions Manager from our Northern Region Service and Solutions team. In today's episode of What Makes It Cool, I'm going to talk to you about why to buy a block of time. In the perfect scenario, we'd be able to mitigate all potential risk and prevent downtime situations. Unfortunately, that's impossible to achieve and machines do break down. It's not fun to plan for those scenarios, but there are steps that can be taken to help save you and your company time and get back up and running. When you need a field service resource scheduled to fix a down piece of equipment, we understand that you need that individual right now. Buying a block of time from McNaughton-McKay can reduce the time required to secure funding, and you will be able to more accurately budget your downtime costs. Planning for downtime events is necessary, but it doesn't have to be painful. Thank you for watching this episode of What Makes It Cool. For more videos like this, please visit and subscribe to the McNaughton-McKay YouTube channel.